So basically what you're going to do, guys, what you're going to do when you on your phone, guys, you will just click the link on my description. I know it sounds crazy, still wondering, is this legit or whatever? No, watch this video until the end. As I explain, you're gonna find out if it's legit or not. But don't worry, just because I'm dropping something that is legit, that I have trusted. So watch this video until the end. Please don't skip. What you're going to do, guys, you're gonna click the link on my description, and after clicking, it's gonna like direct you straight where you will need to download the Opera Mini. Just download the Opera Mini and then put your email. Boom, you are here on Opera Mini. As you can see, you land somewhere here. So after landing somewhere here, you can see this green bar here, guys, on your left. You will just need to click there, guys. Click there, and then it's gonna direct you straight to this let me say it's a website, but it's connected with Opera Mini. That's the reason why I say you must click the link on my description. That's the reason, just because I want you to download the Opera Mini. After downloading the Opera Mini, install it, and after installing it, you need to click the green bar, as you can see. So I already collected mine today. I already collected my 200 rand today. Let me just show you on my gift. So basically the money that I collected, guys, is 200 rand today. Is in progress, and then yesterday is 400 and still in progress, and 1500 is still in progress voucher, guys. So basically what you're going to do, guys, here, you're gonna get like shakes each and every single day. You're gonna get shakes each and every single day. What you need to do, you need to like come here each and every day, and then and click on this one. And after clicking here, as you can see, you have run out of shakes. For me, I have run out of shakes just because I've just used my shake today, guys. So for you, you can just come here every day and shake. You just need to click here, and then you shake, and then it's gonna open up a price for you. And that price, let's take, they're gonna open a 500 rand price. What you need to do to claim that price, you will need to match, the puzzles, so that you can get your money, guys. You won't just going to like shake and get that 500 rand and then claim it instantly. No, what you're going to do, you will need to claim your puzzle. Let's take the puzzle is 500 rand. You need to claim it, and then it will say it's still in progress. So the next day they're gonna give you another point, another point for you to shake. You just need to shake every single day, and then they're gonna like choose if you won or you didn't won. But this is the way to make money with Opera Mini, just because a lot of people are getting paid and I'm getting paid. Let me just show you my proof of payment, guys. Let me show you my proof of payment. I don't want you to say, yeah, TMK is just lying. Let me show you the proof of payment that I'm talking about, guys. So guys, this is the screenshot that I made. As you can see, 550 deposited into account, as you can see on my Standard Bank. And then where it comes from, as you can see, Opera TFC account balance is 2475, just because I was having balance on my Standard Bank. As you can see, guys, it's from Opera Mini, guys. This is so amazing, and I was so shocked when I received this so I was like you and thinking like, oh, this is a scam, and it wasn't. It was real, guys. Guys, as you saw the proof of payment, now you believe that TMK is not lying. What you need to do right now, you just need to click the link on my description, and then you register an account, put your cell phone number, and then the other way to make money on this platform, guys, click on this bar, guys. Here, click on this bar, and then you will land somewhere here, and then you will need to refer your friends. And the more you refer your friend, you're gonna get like one shake every time when you refer someone, guys. And the person that you need to refer need to like verify the account. Make sure they verify their account before you get a shake. So they're just gonna put their cell phone number, and then they verify their phone number, and then boom, you will get your shake, and shake every time. So let's take per day you get 10 people. It means you have like a lot of shakes for you to get chances of winning on this platform, guys. This is the only way to make 1.5 simply, and also 500 simply. Remember guys, remember, there's no free money guys, there's no free money. You need to work on it. There's no free money, but this is the only way to win guys. This is the only way to win, just because with the shakes that they're going to give you, you will maximize your chances of winning on this platform. Just because I did it myself, why don't you do it for yourself? You can just come here guys and make money with these guys, make money with this guys. It's so crazy, just because a lot of people are doing this and they're making money, and I am making money, but I just made one withdrawal. I don't want to say like I made a lot of the withdrawals, but if I can just get paid that 500 rand, it means I can get paid every single time guys, just because I only need people to come, and then I have shakes, boom, and I'm getting the shakes and I shake and win. That's what you're going to do. So if you're having like Facebook, WhatsApp, you can just like refer to your friends and then get as many shakes as you can, so that you can play this game guys. Play this game, and then boom, you're done. Boom, you're done. As you can see, if I'm going to match, as I explained, this one is in progress, but I need to match each and every single winning guys here. I need to match. By matching them is simple. You need to just get shakes, and then you shake each and every time. Whenever they find a match, you're going to get your bonus guys. If it's 1.5, you're gonna get that, and if it's 200, then you're gonna get that. As you can see, for me, everything is in progress guys here, as you can see for yourself. So when you won, let me show you. When you won, you're gonna just come here guys. You haven't won any prize yet. As you can see now, I don't have prize right now. If the price that I won is not here anymore guys. So what for you, you're just gonna come here guys. You're just gonna come here whenever you want, and then they're gonna show you a price, so you will be able to withdraw your money guys. Just simple as that. On this platform, you just get your money simply guys. Let me see you on the next video. So boy TMK Money is a boy TMK Money guys. It's simple to win on this platform. Just get a shakes as soon as you can, and then start playing this game. As you can see guys, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your boy. If you like this video, please comment down and say TMK, I love this video. See you around.